All right, today we're going to dive into a tool that's trying to bring some serious order to the chaos of AI-assisted coding. It's called Agentlytics, and its promise is simple but honestly pretty huge. One single dashboard for every single one of your AI coding chats.
So let me ask you something, especially if you're a developer who uses a bunch of different AI coding tools. Are your AI chats just a total mess? You know what I mean? Conversations scattered across Cursor, then some in VS Code Copilot, maybe a few in Z. If you're nodding along right now, you already get the exact problem this tool was built to fix.
Yeah, let's just lay it all out there. For so many of us, the current reality is pure chaos. Your coding history is trapped in silos. You probably have no real idea what your token spend actually is across all these different services. You can't prove which tool is actually giving you the best bang for your buck. You can't search for that brilliant piece of code the AI gave you last week. And forget about trying to share any of that context with a teammate. It's a total productivity black hole.
It's super frustrating, right? But what if the answer wasn't some new complicated cloud service you have to sign up for? What if there was a simple, kind of elegant solution that just ran on your own computer, keeping all your data completely private? And that really gets to the heart of what Agentlytics is all about. The whole solution is captured in this one tagline. One command, full picture, all local. I mean, that's it. It's short, it's clear, and it promises to solve all those problems we just talked about without you ever having to worry about your data leaving your machine. So what is Agentlytics exactly? Well, it's a tool that runs locally, scans all those conversation histories from your different AI editors, and pulls them all together into one single dashboard that you can search and analyze. And I really have to emphasize that 100% local part. None of your data ever goes to the cloud. It stays with you. Okay, so what do you actually get once you have this unified view? Let's take a look at the features that make this whole thing so incredibly useful.
Now, here's what's so cool about this. Each one of these features is a direct answer to that chaos, right? Worried about your AI bill? Bam, there's a cost tab to estimate your spend by model and project. Can't find that one conversation from last month? The sessions view is fully searchable. You want to know which editor is actually performing the best for you? The compare feature gives you these side-by-side efficiency ratios. It's the whole shebang.
And we're not just talking about support for a couple of the most popular tools. The scope here is, well, it's pretty impressive. Agentlytics can pull data from 16 different AI-powered editors. It brings all of them under one roof, and that wide-ranging compatibility is really what makes it such a powerhouse. Just to give you a feel for it, here's a look at some of the editors it supports. You've got the heavy hitters, of course, Cursor, VS Code, Z. And you can see in the table what kind of data it can pull from each one. Messages, tools used, models, and for most of them, even your token counts. Look, having your own personal dashboard is amazing, but let's be real, coding is a team sport. And this is where Agentlytics introduces a feature called Relay, and honestly, it is a total game changer. It's all about taking your AI history from just my AI to our AI. And the best part about Relay is how simple it is. This isn't some crazy enterprise setup. One person on the team just starts a Relay server. Then other folks on the team join in and just select which project sessions they're okay with sharing. And that's it. All of a sudden, your team's AI tools can tap into the collective knowledge of everyone's coding history. Once you're all connected, you unlock this whole new set of tools for your AI. You can run a full text search across everybody's conversations. You can pull up a specific teammate's recent activity, or even look at a full conversation to see how they reasoned through a problem. It's like creating a shared brain for your project. And this is where it really clicks. Imagine this. Instead of bugging your teammate or digging through endless commit logs, you can just ask your AI, what did Alice do in auth.js? It can then go into her shared history and give you a real context-aware answer. That's an unbelievably powerful way to work together. So Agentlytics is already a super powerful tool, but it's not standing still. It's an active, open source project that's always evolving. So what's next? Let's take a quick peek at the roadmap. They've got some really exciting stuff planned. Of course, broader support for Linux and Windows is on the way, and so is the ability to export your data. But the thing that really gets me excited is this plan for LLM-powered insights, using an AI to actually analyze your coding patterns, generate summaries of your work, and even spot habits. This is a move from just organizing data to creating real intelligence from it.
And that really brings us to the big final thought here. A tool like Agentlytics doesn't just help you organize your past work, it's pointing to a future where all our interactions with AI can be analyzed to make us all smarter. It leaves you with this huge question to think about. Could insights powered by an LLM that understands your team's entire coding history fundamentally change how you write software? It's a pretty wild thing to think about.